front of me is Oppo Reno 7 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can change apps permissions on this Oppo device. Firstly, go into Settings, scroll down and choose Privacy section. Then you need to click on Permission Manager over here and select one of your device's features, like location. Then tap on one of your apps. I will go with Facebook and select one of those options. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I will go with the first one, allow only while using, so when I go back, as you can see, Facebook just gained access to this device location if I'm using it. But you can always just pick any feature and any app. Then select See All Phone Permissions instead and manage all of them only for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!